All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to program your universal remote. Now, this is just a very generic one that I got off of Amazon. I think the brand is Acoyer. Never really heard about it. It was super cheap, so I figured I need it. I want to show you how to set this up today. So guys, if you could, when this video helps you, like and subscribe. Just a really easy way to support the work we're doing here, and I really appreciate it. So let's jump in. Now, what we need first is the codes. Now, I've found a source for the codes, but it's really hard to read. I'll link it in the description, but drop in the comments if you can or can't read it. If not, I can figure out how to make a more clear code list for you guys. For now, I'll just drop the, I'll put the most popular codes for TVs in the description as well. So with the remote, we would obviously put in the batteries first. This took 2 AAA batteries, and we need to press and hold the setup button for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that tells us that it's ready. And then we're going to select which one of these things we're going to be connecting. So I'm going to hit TV. There it is. And now from our codes list, we would look for our brand of TV and then look at the codes. So I'll hold this here. Maybe you can pause it and get your code if you need. I know I'm looking at Sony's, and the Sony codes are right here. So I'll do 1071. Now, when we put in the code 1071, we would test it. So behind me is the TV. Hit the power button. And nothing. So now we need to repeat steps 1 through 3 again. So we'll hit setup for 3 seconds. Hit the TV. The next code is 5811. And now we test. Turn it on. Oh, if you look, I don't know if you can see it, but the TV did turn on. So my code was 5811. Let me check the volume. Volume is working as well. And that's all. You don't even have to lock it in. It's already locked in. So guys, if this video helps you, if you could, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.